Okay, we're here in Yuma, Arizona to do some geocaching. We're here for the block party, and we're looking at this one now, a really interesting geocache. Have you ever seen a tree with a trap door?
Look, there it is. How are we gonna get in?
In the description, it describes what you need to do, and it involves teamwork. One person reaches around here and finds the cable lock, gently pulls, while the other one pries the door open.
Ta-da! There we are. Look at that, isn't that cool? Now, if you were a troll, this would be normal, but how many of us have had a door in a tree?
I know, isn't that just bizarre? First time I've seen a door in a tree. And check out this mailbox. The handle's a gun. Whoa, let's get out of here. This one had quite a few favorite points on it, and in order to get into the lock, the description says you got to go to the nearest wooden telephone pole, get the number off it. You put the number in here, but then to open it, you have to turn the switch off. Turn the switch off, open it up, the geocache is inside there. That's ingenious, really cool. Have you ever seen one like this? Check this out. Boom. Isn't that cool? That's an awesome geocache. Took us a while to find this one, but I knew exactly what I was looking for because I'd found one like this by a friend of ours called K&K. That's pretty cool. Cool geocache.
You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of finds and numbers, but also of hides. A journey onto a wondrous map whose boundaries are that of creativity. Your next stop? The Cache Hide Zone. Be a part of the sci-fi themed Operation Worldwide Cache Hide project that will be published on May 4th, 2025. For complete details, go to www.geocachingcentral.com and click the icon.
Here's another cool cache. It's called Rocket Man. And in order to get this one logged, you have to find a hidden handle and then crank the rocket up. Find this handle and you give it a crank and the rocket goes up slowly. And then the cache is revealed. The key to Rocket Man is you gotta find the key, the crank handle. Look, Mom, I'm on Tatooine. This is an earth cache in California, just west of the Arizona border. And this is where the movie Return of the Jedi was filmed for the sand dunes scenes. So somewhere over here, you can walk to where the Sarlacc pit is and take in that location. And there's a traditional geocache there. And right here is an earth cache. We have 3 questions to answer, which we've just done. And we're just going to soak in the dunes, check it out for a little bit, and then we're going to go geocaching in the area for more traditional fun.
How's this for a TB hotel?
Wow! going north, going west, going anywhere, going east. I'm going to place in a trackable that wants to visit Cache Canada. This one already has seen us at Geo Woodstock Abbotsford. So let's see from Yuma to West Kelowna, BC, how long it will take and can it reach us again.
Yeah, there's only 3 trackables.
This one was tricky. You know, it was easy to get into. The lock, the number is on the engine, like right behind my back. But to figure out how to open this container, which is all welded together, it was a bit of a struggle to figure out how to get into it. And it goes from the top, but we got it.
We hope you've enjoyed seeing some of Yuma's high favorited caches. Keep watching, there's more caches to be found. Where will geocaching take you?